Hi everyone, welcome to V2V channel. So we already completed some quantitative and reasoning topics. So those information available at our channel playlist. And you can share these video to the maximum number of people. It's really helpful to them. For more updates, please follow my page V2V on Telegram and Instagram. Let's go to the topic. So in this session, we are discussing one more linear arrangement question. Who are new to this video, just go and watch my previous videos related to the arrangement. The whole information available at our channel playlist. And if you watch my previous videos related to the linear arrangement, you can get the basic information about a linear arrangement question. Let's start our session. See here question, there is a 7 persons A to Z. So there is a 7 persons A to Z wearing different color shirts, and those colors are red, blue, green, yellow, pink, white and violet. So these are the colors they given. Are sitting in a row, not necessarily in the same order, and they are facing north. So total we need to take a 7 positions. So total we have a 7 positions. Okay, read the first line, and they are already mentioned that they are facing north. They are facing north means this is the right representation, left representation. First statement, D is sitting as many places away to the right of person who is wearing red color shirt. D is sitting right of red, and there is a as many as persons between them. As the person wearing white color shirt, the person wearing white color shirt is left of A, and there is a as many as persons between them. Those are equal. That is the first point. Then go with the second one. The persons wearing pink color shirt 4 places away to the right of Z. So away to the right of Z means exactly 4th portion is related to wearing pink color shirt. So next one. The number of persons left of C. The number of persons left of C exactly equal to same number of persons right of, and the same number of persons right of the person who is wearing white color shirt. So white color shirt right side people exactly equal to C left side people, those peoples which are equal in this statement. We go with the fourth point. The person wearing blue color shirt 4 places away to the left of person who is wearing green color shirt. See, blue color shirt is 4 places away to the left of green color shirt. So away to the left of green color shirt. So okay, up to these 4 statement. So there is a no chance to start these arrangements. So read one more line. See next point. The person wearing violet color shirt and yellow color shirt are sitting 2nd, 7th position of extreme left. See, extreme left. This is the 2nd position and this is the 7th position. 2nd position occupy with the violet, and 7th position occupy with the yellow color. So we can fix these information. So you can fix these information. Next one. F is sitting immediate left of E. F is immediate left of E. And who is adjacent to C? Who is adjacent to C means C is the next position of E. Means F is C, these 3 persons always sitting together, and F is immediate left of E. These are the statements. Clear? So we already completed E line. Then you can go with the one more line. See, if you go with the D, blue color, who is wearing blue color shirt is 4 places away to the left of green. So we cannot choose green here. If I go with the green here, 1, 2, 3, this is the exact position for blue, but this is already occupied with the violet, means this is not a chance of green. Then definitely, so this position is green color. And 4 places left means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the chance of blue color. So we are completed this statement. Next one. Next one. See, if we go with the B, who is wearing pink color shirt is the right of G. See, if I go with the Z here, if I go with the Z here, 1, 2, 3, and this is the pink, but this is already for green, means this is not a position for Z. If I go with the Z here, if I go with the Z here, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the exact position for pink. So this is the one possibility. If I go with the one more C, if I place a Z here, 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly this is already occupied with yellow, means we cannot replace as pink. So we can place G in the 2nd extreme left. If I place G here, Exactly fourth position is pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is related for pink color. So we are completed B part. Next one. So if I go with a C, C left side person exactly equal to who is wearing white color shirt, right side people. So these are the two chances we can replace as white. For example, if I place C here, left side 2 persons. So if I place white here, right side 3 persons, means this statement is not satisfied. If I place C here, 1, 2, 3, left side 3 persons. If I place here by the white, right side we have a 4 persons, means this is also not C. So this is the chance of C. If I place C here, left side 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the 4 places left of C. If I place white here, 1, 2, 3, 4, so this statement is exactly satisfied. It means, so these position occupy with a white and these position occupy with a C. If I go with the last one, C immediate position is E. Why? Because if there is a 2 chances, E can be replaced as here or E can be replaced as here. Why? Because E and C are adjacent to each other. That is the statement. If I place E here, so the immediate left position is F, means we cannot place us here by the F. That's why. So E can be occupied with this position. If E is occupied with this position, immediate left occupy with a F. So we can satisfy this statement. And finally we left with one color C. So blue completed, violet completed, white completed, pink completed, yellow completed, green and red. Green completed, we left with a red. Then see, so we are completed all the parts except these one. So here C, read the line. So D is right of red. See, this is the red. So D can be placed as either here or here. And white is left of A. Means see, if I place D here, red and D. So red and D, there is a 1 person. If I place D here, definitely we can place A here. But between A and white, we have a 3 persons. So the statement is not satisfied. Then we will go with the position of D. If I place D here, between red and D, there is a 2 person. If I place A here, between A and white, there is a 2 person. Means we can fix the position for D and A. That is the meaning of as many persons between red and D, white and A. See, red and D, there is a 2 person. White and A, there is a 2 person. And finally, we have only one alphabetical C. So those alphabetical is related to B. So this is the arrangement. Okay, see the questions. Okay, question number 1. Who is wearing green color shirt? So who is wearing green color shirt? That is C. Who is wearing pink color shirt? Pink color shirt wearing is A. And who sitting extreme right? Extreme right is a D. So these are the 3 questions for this arrangement.